Hello guys, so let's talk about here global and local variables. Okay, how to use them, how can we apply them. Okay, so let's write down the small program and understand the concepts. Here I am declaring function 1. Okay, and after that I am assigning the value x is equal to 7 and I am saying return x. Fine, and after that I am again calling one more function. Okay, that is function 2. Clear? Fine. Now here what I will do, I will simply, now I want to print my x. Okay, the value of x. So we have to check, and let me call my function. Okay, so that function 2, I have to call my function 2. Fine. Okay, so let's run and see the output here, what output will come. Okay, okay, now it is saying that x is not defined. Okay, because that this means that this x value, you cannot use this x value outside the function. Okay, because we are using this x outside the outside another function. So these type of values are called local variable. These type of variables are called local variables. Okay, local variables. Okay, to whom we cannot call outside the function. Okay, now what if I will simply remove this. Okay, and I write here now print. Okay, just suppose if I will write here print. ओके, प्रिंट, अब मैं प्रिंट कमांड को यूज़ करके कॉल करती हूँ पहले फंक्शन को. फाइन, then I will print x. Clear? Fine. If I will run this, let's see the output. What would be the output here? Okay, function 1. Okay, it's not giving me any value over here. Fine. So now what will happen if, just suppose, it has to give me the value whatever the x is called over here. Okay, so for that purpose what we will do, oh god, let me check the indentation, because we have to take care of such little things here. Okay, as I missed here the indentation. Fine, if I will run this program, now it is giving me the error x is not defined. Okay, fine. Why x is not defined? Now what if I will give the, now I will define the value outside this function. Okay, just suppose I am writing here x is equal to 6. Okay, I am writing any number you can write, so I am declaring it. Okay, now globally, so this will be my global variable. Fine, this will be my global variable. Okay, because I am defining it out as a output. So if I will print this, then what would be the output here? Okay, you can see now it is printing the value 7 and 6. Okay, because I am calling here first this I am printing this function here, this one value. Okay, after that I am saying print x. Just take care, keep this mind, this x is different and this x is different. I am declaring this one x as a locally and this x I am declaring as a globally. Okay, so I am getting this value over here. Now what if I want to change the value of this variable inside the program? I don't want to keep it 6. Okay, so what I will do, otherwise we don't use such concepts in the long programs, if you will write your own program of 5,000 lines or 6,000 lines, then it would be very difficult to use this. Fine. So it's just for your understanding. Okay, if you will use your small programs, then you can use. Okay, so let's see over here. If I will simply want to change the value, so what I will do, I have to first tell it it's global. What I want to do here, global x. Okay, means the value that I have declared outside I have to tell here. Okay, so let's see here. Now what will happen, let me run this and let's check the output. Now you can see here, the value is 7 and 7. The value is changing here. Clear? Because first I call this value, okay, and I am this value will run only then when we will call this function. Okay, it will give me output only then when we will call this function. Okay, so here the values are coming 7 and 7. This is how you can change the value. Clear? After that, just suppose if you want to call this function first, look here, what is the change I am doing. I am just calling one function here, controls V, and again I am calling this function. Fine. So now what will happen, first which value will come, first will come 6, then will come 7. Okay, then let's see. Okay, now see 6 7 7, because first of all I called this 6 value, then I have called my this global, this function value, local value, then after that I am again calling the global value. Okay, so its value is changing over here in the program. Whatever it will return, it will come here only. Clear? So this is all what about global variable and local variable. Okay, I hope it is clear to you how to declare the local variables and how can you use global variables, okay, outside, and you can, if you want to change its value, then what you have to do. Clear?